What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adriana and welcome to Agilis Ganja. You already know what today's video is going to be. It's going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. It's a new month. Oh my god! Why? Why me? For today's video, y'all already know what it is. It's going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys are new to my channel, you might not know my Boxycharm unboxings aren't like your typical norm Boxycharm unboxings. I do smoke with me Boxycharm unboxings. So, if you also smoke marijuana, go ahead and get your dabs ready and get your blunts ready, get your bowls ready, and let's go, right? Let's go. We going. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And let's just get on to the video. I wanna smoke some marijuana. Oh shit, I didn't even fucking put water in it. Oh man, I don't have any more hemp wicks. So I have to use my normal just butane lighter, but at least I have my Moose Labs mouthpiece because this shit is a fucking lifesaver. Okay. Sorry, I kind of started smoking without you guys because I was doing my thumbnail. Cheers. All right, let's open this bitch up. As usual, I'm gonna let you guys take the first peek. Does it look good? I hope so. All right, so the theme for this month is breaking the ice. I don't want to look at the back because it's gonna list the products that I got, and I don't want to read the products that I got. I want to see the products that I got, so let's get it on. I'm gonna grab the first thing that I feel, and it's big, and it's probably a skincare product, which I don't mind at all. First product is this Skin & Co. Aroma Truffle Therapy. It says it's a polishing, micro exfoliating truffle face gommage. I'm hoping that I'm pronouncing it right, which I'm probably not. I'm hoping that doesn't irritate my skin. I know I've gotten another product from that brand before, which was like a whipping cleanser. I've used it a couple times, but I do have a lot of like face cleansers, so I don't put it as like my main face skincare routine. Ooh, I kind of took a peek a little bit, so I'm just gonna grab the first product that I kind of took a peek at. This is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. Oh, that's weird. A concealer. I've said this before, but I kind of get a little sketchy when they send us products that don't have like a seal on it. I've gotten products and they just either like smell weird or it looked like it was messed with. I don't think it was messed with, but we'll see. What shade is this? The middle ground. So I'm assuming this is pretty much like a basic shade. I feel like if I mix it in with a different color, it might work out because it looks a little too orange for my skin tone. I would say it's a light, maybe medium coverage. The next product is something I've heard before from like YouTubers, and it's the brand Monica Dar. That smells weird. I feel like it looks a little darker on the swatch than compared to like the actual tube, which I don't mind because I was kind of a little scared. It looked a little light. I don't think I'm gonna be able to wear it by itself. Maybe if I mix it in with something, it might look a little nicer. All right, next product. I'm gonna grab this thing. Ooh. I think I've seen this either at Ulta or Sephora, and I remember trying this or like smelling it somewhere. And I think I liked how it smelled. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Glowing, radiance, and softening. Ooh. Okay, cool. That's sick. Oh my god, this smells so good. It smells like, I don't know if they still make them, but they're like those lip smacker watermelon chapsticks. Oh my god. Ooh. When you kind of rub it on the skin, I feel like the smell goes away, but I don't mind it because maybe, you know, I don't want to get sick of it, because I kind of do get sick of smells a lot, so I like that. I like that. Let's do one more hit, shall we? Is this the last product? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, it's the last product. Damn, I didn't even realize it was the fucking last product. Next product is by Ace Beauty. Is it Beauty or Beauty? I don't know. This is the Scarlet Dust palette. I'm excited to try this, and I'm excited to see how it looks like, because I have another palette that I got. I mean, I'm not saying I use it like all the time, but I do like the colors in it. I know it doesn't look like I've used it a lot, but I got a lot of palettes, so I kind of have to give everybody some loving. I know for a fact cinnamon is one of my favorite colors in the palette. I do like poppy as well. Let's see how this one looks. I don't know if it's like a face palette or if it's like an eyeshadow palette, so we'll just see. There we go. Oh my god. Oh, holy smokes. Wow.
Bitch. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god.
I can't stop looking at it. Like, I want to show you guys, but I'm just like, oh my goodness. Let's swatch this because I'm excited. I hope this palette is just as pigmented and just as good as the other palette, but let's see. I'm first gonna swatch Crimson, Hibiscus, Aurora, Maui, Aruba. I was gonna say Aduba. Oh my god. Whatever, I'm about to swatch it on my hairy ass arms, but I don't give a fuck. Oh my holy. I'm about to swatch the other one. Let's do Nocturnal, Sangria, Sunset Rose, Pink Moon, and Shade. I don't even know what shades to use tomorrow. Like, that's how excited I am. I feel like this is a good start to Boxycharm. Let me just make sure. Okay, yeah, that's everything. I think overall the box is pretty good. I'm definitely excited to use that palette. I want to see what it can do, and if I do happen to use it before I post this video, I'll post a little picture right here somewhere. I'm also excited to use a sleeping mask. I want to see what it can do for my skin. Hopefully it can do some miracles for my skin, as well as this exfoliator thingy. I hope it's not too harsh on my skin either, because my skin's a little sensitive. These two products, I'm not saying that I hate them. I'm just saying they're products I'll try when I feel like it, you know, when I got the time. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with this box, and I'm excited to see what next month's box is. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.